everyone, we are Team Sentinels presenting under the theme Smart Automation under the problem statement Student Innovation Swadeshi for Atma Nirbhar Bharat. This challenge focuses on the efficient use of resources powered by AI to transform technology and extract resources from the diverse sources. Our idea perfectly fits into this vision. In modern combat, soldiers not only fight with weapons, but they fight with information. So, moving on to our problem statement. In modern combat scenarios, detecting ambushes and maintaining seamless communication is a serious issue. Counter strategies often fail, such as terrain constant, lack of proper navigation, choke points, and unreliable connectivity. So, here, automation is a game changer. Moving on to the proposed solution.
So the challenges he has discussed is not what hypothetical. Army operating in such terrain region where every shadow could cast an ambush and where every connection is like a lapse. Considering this, we propose the Rakshak, AI plus data-driven drop model, which is used to create an real-time situational awareness and empower our armed forces with effective decision-making skills. So our system represent different army unit as node in graph, such as army patrolling team, army medic team, and army headquarter team. And each of them has some specific properties, such as they're in monitoring phase, or they're connected or not, or highlighting their requirements. So when any suspicious activity is detected at any node through open source informations or any satellite images, suddenly our AI will gather that data and do its authenticity check and trigger that node as highlighting other nodes so can other can be notified or get a well established connection, and simultaneously our AI will create an or generate an risk score graph where all of its edges are dynamically assigned weight according to the risk score factors. The risk score factor may be due to the choke points, terrain constraint, and due to the fog visibility area. This is what we able to create an situational awareness and build a unreliable connection between different army bases. Now, to solve the issue of manual recurrence, we provide a decision support portal. So, in decision support portal, there will be interactive maps displaying the whole operational areas, and there will be color coded path highlighting the risk areas, such as green denotes the safe and shortest path, and red represent the highly risk areas. So the system also generate graph dynamically based on the real-time surveillance input, which result in minimal risk network connection tailored according to the current situation. So this is what we achieved through our model, an adaptive design to support Indian Army with real-time surveillance, soldier support, and threat detection.
So now let's talk about the technical approach. First, the data will come from various sources, and then based on the type of data, the data will get split into smaller chunks. These chunks will be given as an input to the embedding models. These embedding models will give output in the form of vector embeddings. Vector embeddings are nothing but the numerical representation of the data. These vector embeddings will be given as an input to an AI agent, which will do cross-model comparison, and the output will be given as an input to the LLM. This LLM is a multimodal agent which will have its own reasoning, and it will do a authenticity verification. The output from the LLM will assign weight and risk score to the edges of the graph, which is already present in the graph database. And then we can do a systematic algorithmic analysis. Suppose the military needs to move from one destination to another. For that, they need to find a shortest path. For that, we can use Dijkstra and A-star algorithm to find some critical points. We can use Tarjan's algorithm. In times of conflict, the military needs to reallocate some resources and troops. For that, we can also use minimal spanning tree. So that's all about the technical approach.
Now moving to feasibility and viability of our project. So this slide represent, can the project be realistically developed or it implemented within the given resources and time frame, or it create any impact or in sustainable long-term project, or does create any scalability approach? So yes, our technology perfectly extract data from various sources and check it authenticity verification by our trained AI model. And it also perfectly dynamically assigned weight to different nodes and edges of the graph considering the risk factor, which create a situational awareness and effective decision making for our armed forces. The same AI plus node model can be utilized in blood supply chain, It is used to connect different blood donors by creating node from past medical records. We facilitate the connection and notify the potential donor to reduce the response time. And the same model which is used in rerouting for army can be used for ambulance for determining the fastest and separate route for the nearest appropriate hospital. So this shows that our project has a scalable approach. Now discussing the financial viability. While this system does not provide any specific financial data, but project ability to save up many lives and creating an situational awareness is what much more than creating money from this.
Now come to the challenges section. We face three main risks: fake data, difficult error, and cyber threat. Our system tackle this by verifying information, giving backup path with interactive map, and adding strong security with threat detection. This keeps our operation safe and reliable.
Now, moving on to the impact side, ensures rapid and accurate threat detection, enhance mission success even in conflict terrain, dual use potential both in military civilian justification, reduces the cost, protects the environment, and hence saves the life.
So now moving on to benefits of our project. The first one is enhanced safety. The second one is increased efficiency. Third one is cost effectiveness. And the fourth one is real-time awareness. It detects threat instantly, making it a real-time support system in high-risk environments.
So now, moving towards the research and references. So these are the research paper helps us to get knowledge about this project. And these are some existing solutions with which Rakshak is being compared. In developing Rakshak, we are not just creating a system, we are creating trust, safety, Atma Nirbhar solution for our soldiers. As Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam said, only a nation that has strength of self-reliance can become truly strong. This is what we have committed to, protecting those who protect us with the help of smart automation. Thank you.